Hi guys, for this week's manicure I'm going to start off with some sponging. So I've just applied some liquid latex around my nail and you're going to need a makeup sponge. My chosen colours are red and black. So next up I'm going to do some stamping. This is a review plate I got from beautybigbang. It's one of their Christmas sweater sort of themes. I'll leave a link down below to this item along with a 10% off code as well for the website. So as you can see by these nails here, I'm going for this pattern in the corner and I'm stamping it with a golden kind of holographic polish.